Okay, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction for Litecoin. Welcome to the channel. This is what we do. You guys can already see in front of you on your electronic device that we do price predictions. We actually try to see where the market's going to go without adding any confusion to the charts, or just simply pay attention to what everyone else is doing. We try to get in line with the overall market so that we can try to profit. So welcome to the channel. You guys appreciate it. Hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. This is what we do here. Now, you can see our last price prediction for Litecoin was right here on the 5th of June. And here it is rounding out the month of June. And the market in Litecoin hit our ultimate TP price a couple of days ago on June 22nd. You guys can see that we anticipated the market finding a bottom at one of these three buy pockets. And it came down to that third buy pocket right in between $77 to $78. So pretty good call there, because that was the moment the market reversed. It stopped going lower at that pocket. Isn't that crazy how we can identify that way before price even got there? We did a price prediction on June the 5th, and we anticipated that the market could bounce right there. So 11.81% right there for Litecoin. And now we need to get rid of these buy pockets here that the buyers attempted to hold, but ultimately they didn't do it. We're going to keep this one here on the chart because this is ultimately where the market decided to come and buy. Okay, so now zooming out just a little bit more, you can tell that the direction in Litecoin really hasn't changed. Okay, we're still seeing this cryptocurrency trend down. So we haven't broken the overall trend into the market in Litecoin. So right now, we should not be massively bullish. We really need to see this price trade above this downtrend line before we start thinking that, or if anything, looking for the market to consolidate. Now let's look at the month of June so far, since we have 13 hours left before the month ends, and it's pretty much a wash. You know, the market really hasn't decided who wants to control the price, whether you're a buyer, whether you're a seller. The market kind of just whipsawed in between, you know, a high of $95 to a low of 76 throughout the month of June. Here's Litecoin on the 5 weeks. Okay, pretty much the same thing there too. Here it is on the 3 for Litecoin. Litecoin on the 2 weeks. The 2 weekly bar right here definitely emphasizes that maybe the sellers are winning. I mean, we've seen 3 consecutive 2 weekly price bars, which equals 6 weeks of price in Litecoin just going down. Okay. This is what the week did for Litecoin. This could be our first indication that buyers are coming back into the market, because we haven't seen any week like this, any price bar like this, all the way going back to May, at least to where price closed higher than the prior week. Every other week since then, price has closed lower than the prior week close. See that? Except for now. So maybe the buyers are attempting to hold the market in Litecoin. I'm not saying that they're going to be successful, but at least you can tell that they're attempting to try to hold price right there. Okay. Here's Litecoin on the 4. Litecoin on the 3. I do like the 3 as well, especially that 3-day price bar to go alongside with this one. Here it is on the 2. Litecoin back on the daily chart. Here it is on the 5 hour. Okay, so apparently the 5 hour chart is hinting at some areas that this market in Litecoin cannot break above, namely this one right here. So this would be like a sell pocket in Litecoin. Let me get rid of this one. Okay. And if we're going to see the market in Litecoin continue to trend up, we need to at least see this market hold this buy pocket right there. So you can see how we're going to whipsaw into making a determination who is going to win. Is it going to be the sellers? Is it going to be the buyers? Sellers, buyers, until price either breaks out or the market continues to break down. Okay, because right now on this 5-hour bar, it tells me that this market is not that strong. That 5-hour bar. So I'm waiting to see if these buyers are going to show up right in this area, because if they do, then I would expect to see the market bounce and try to go back up to this sell pocket around $89, $90. Here's Litecoin on the 330. So yeah, we just got rejected right up here at this last point that the market got rejected back on the 16th of June. The buyers brought price to that level and price reacted and came back down. We're getting the same type of price bars again, a second time. So right now, I'm not really emphasizing that the market is bullish yet. And look at this on the 30-minute chart. The market just completely lost gas. It got hit with these sellers up here around 88 to 88.50. And look at that, it just completely fell off a cliff. So it tells us that there's no buyers up there right now. Okay, so what I think the market is attempting to do, I don't think the buyers are really that strong yet. So I'm kind of looking for price to continue to go lower a little bit. Definitely, I want to see market come and hold this first buy pocket though. Okay, because if it holds this buy pocket right here, then there's still a chance for Litecoin to try to break the overall downtrend and even this sell pocket in between $89 and $90. If they do that, then it's going to be a short move to the downside. If they don't, then we might come all the way back down to this pocket again, which is like 9% there. Again, testing this buy pocket that we already created, about 9.5, 10%. Okay, so definitely I'm going to pay attention to this first pocket. So that's going to be our first target right there. It's only 2.87%. It's not a lot, but I want us to see that there's still a chance for this market to grab that and continue to try to break up to the upside. All right, so that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.